Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to set up Samsung Pay on your Galaxy Watch 4. So for demonstration purposes, we have our Galaxy Watch 4, and this is the 46mm Classic. And you have two different versions of the Galaxy Watch 4. You have the regular one and the Classic. The Classic is the one here with the bezel, and the bezel turns. If you guys are interested in this particular watch, we will leave links for you down in the description area. So the first thing we need to do to set up Samsung Pay on your watch is we need to push the back button. So you have two different buttons. You have the home button at the top, back button at the bottom. You tell it's the home button because there is red marking around the button. So what we need to do is push the back button and hold it in for a second. Once you do that, you'll get to this menu which says Samsung Pay, and we have a couple of different screens, a few different screens, actually about 4 or 5 screens, will tell you how to set up Samsung Pay. So the next screen shows you the symbol, and this gives you, lets you know that at that particular store, at the register, they accept mobile payments. So turn the bezel again, and to activate Samsung Pay when you're at the register is you push the back button and hold it, and that will kick in Samsung Pay. And when you push it in, it goes to Samsung Pay, and then you can turn the bezel to select which card that you want. So you can put in several different credit cards that you may want to use to purchase with Samsung Pay. So after you select your card, then you would hold your wrist up to the card reader so it can read the watch to make your purchase. And so let's get started with setting up Samsung Pay. So what we need to do is tap here where you see the blue button. Once you tap there, it says get ready to use Samsung Pay on your phone. So we hit OK. And then it prompts our phone here. So we're going to reach over and grab our phone. So once you pick up your phone here, you hit start. And then it's going to ask me to unlock the phone by hitting my fingerprint scanner. After that, it says it wants you to grab a credit card and add the card. And so you hit add card. Then we're going to pick add payment card here. And then first it says we need to set a lock on our watch. And so we're going to hit set lock. And then we're going to set the phone back down here because it's prompting us to put a lock screen on our watch. And so we're going to go with a pin. And we're going to do something really simple. Let's go with 2233. Then hit check. It wants us to do that code again. 2233. Check. And so now it has taken a lock screen. And then we go back over to our phone and we're going to hit re-entry. And so the phone is giving us a check to say that it accepted the lock screen that we chose, or the passcode that we chose for our watch, and then we hit next. And so now it's prompting us to grab our credit card, and then we're going to put our credit card behind the screen so it can read it. So we're going to grab our credit card. We're going to do a Bank of America card, and so we're supposed to take the card and put it behind the phone itself, and it's going to read it. And so just to show you, it read our credit card number, and it read the expiration date of the card. So what we need to do now is here, we're going to put our name in, then we're going to put our security code in right there. And so now, as you can see, we have our name in, we have a security code in, we have the expiration date, and you have the zip code. And so we're going to hit next. And so it's going through the process of validating the card information, and we need to hit agree to all. And okay, it agreed to all, and it's got a blue check mark. And so it took it, and it said the registration is complete. And we just need to hit done. So we tap done, and it shows next that we need to do is hit next on the phone here, and it's talking about the steps of using Samsung Pay like it showed you at first, that you push the bottom button, which is the back button, to activate Samsung Pay. Then you rotate the bezel to pick which credit card you want to use. And again, next, then you turn your watch so the card reader can read it. Well, okay, it took our information and it accepted our Bank of America card. So our Samsung Pay is really set up now. So we're going to hit our home button here at the bottom and come out and set our phone down. And then we're going to go back to our watch. So, okay, now that we have Samsung Pay all set up, this is what you would do next. Like I said, you would push your back button and hold it in. And now you have your lock screen. So you have to put in your PIN. So it'll be 2233. Hit check. And then it's pulsating, as you can see the animation there. And all you need to do now is turn your wrist toward the card reader and let it read it, and it will pick it up and pay for the item that you have. So that's it for our video for today, how to set up Samsung Pay on your Galaxy Watch 4. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.